Hello everyone, hope you all are great and safe and sound. Welcome to our today's video listening. In this video, I'm going to teach you 10 very essential and useful phrases that you can use in your everyday life. These phrases are important because it makes you to speak English confidently, smoothly, and naturally. Okay, let's go ahead. First and the very most important is long time no see. Long time no see. It means it has been a while since we last met each other. It means it's a very long time that we haven't met each other. So let's make an example. You have a friend, you both are living in the same city. So suddenly your friend left the city. So after a while, your friend come back and you'll say, long time no see. Where were you, man? And the next one, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Afraid I have some very bad news. Your wife's gonna be a vegetable. You'll have to bathe her, feed her, and care for her the rest of her life.
Oh my God.
No, I'm just kidding.
It means I'm joking. Don't take it seriously. It's not something that much important. For example, we use it when we say something seriously. So suddenly we want to change it as a joke. We want to change it. For example, it's not something very important. So we say that I'm just, kidding. Okay. Next phrase, better late than never. Better late than never. Okay, so as you guys know, its meaning is clear. Better late than never. It means it's better to do something late. It's better to do something late than never do it at all. It's a fact. It's a very interesting fact. Okay, for example, I finished the book better late than never. Better late than never. The next phrase, that's a good question. You know its meaning. Its meaning is clear. That's a good question. So how would we use them? I'm going to say to you its usage, okay? So we use that's a good question before answering a question. For example, someone asks a question. So before answering, we pause a little bit. We say this phrase and then we collect data and information. So we collect data and information so that we say this word and we express or we answer the question. Mostly we use it in conversations and in interviews. So it doesn't matter. We can use it in every time whenever someone asks a question. If we look to its structure, we can see that there is an adjective. An adjective. The word good is an adjective. Here, instead of adjective, this adjective good, we can use another adjective as well. For example, we can use great or excellent. Okay. For example, it was a great question. It was a great question, or it was an excellent question. And the next phrase, I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more.
It means I completely agree. I completely agree with you. Okay, how? For example, whenever we have the word couldn't, you completely agree with me? Oh, at first it is a little bit strange, okay? Because we have here the word couldn't. The word couldn't is, it's negative. So it doesn't matter, it is negative, but the whole phrase isn't negative, it is positive. I couldn't agree more. For example, learning English is easier when it's fun. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. It means I completely agree with you. And the next phrase, make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. Okay? It means make yourself, relax, make yourself comfortable, make yourself that you're living at your own home. We use this phrase when we want, for example, someone to be relaxed. For example, we have a guest, we have, our friend is coming to our house, so we are asking them to be relaxed, to don't take everything seriously, to be calm, okay? Come in, make yourself at home. The next phrase, Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Okay. It means let's stop working for now. Let's stop. Let's stop for now, okay? We use it, for example, we are somehow tired of overdoing something and we want to stop that and we want to do that work again another time. We worked enough for today. Let's call it a day. And the next phrase, which is very important, no worries. No worries.
No worries.
No worries.
No worries, Gary.
No worries, honey.
Well, no worries.
Okay, no worries.
No worries.
Means it's okay. It's not a big problem. It's not something important. No worries. Don't be worried about that. For example, sorry for being late. No worries. And the next phrase is, it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. It's not a big problem. It's not a big problem to get upset about. For example, oh my gosh, I forgot to bring your pen. It's not a big deal. And the last but not the least, the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. It means it's your turn. It's your time. It's your turn to, make a decision. It's your turn to do something. It's your turn to, for example, give advice about something. Whatever. So it's your turn. For example, I have done my part. It's your turn. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned something. So I'm so glad that you have stayed till the end of this video. If you want me to create this kind of content more and more, so click the like button, subscribe and share the video with your friends.